Hello, welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Today we have rainbow pita pockets. This is a way to get all of your food groups in one, and it's portable, handheld, and tasty. Right here we have some whole grain pita pockets. We have some deli sliced meat, some cherry tomatoes, a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and a whole lettuce. The reason we have a whole lettuce is because you want the whole leaf instead of the shredded effect. For our tomatoes, we're going to cut a few of them. When you grab your cherry tomatoes, just curl your fingers, and we're just gonna half them the long way, and that should be enough. Take your lettuce and just peel off a leaf or two. So, we have our tomatoes, we have our lettuce, our meat, and our cheese. Take your pita pocket, and you're gonna cut that in half. Now, you have a little pocket just for your fillings. I like to start with the lettuce. You can rip it in two, big pieces, stuff that inside. Then you can take a few of those tomatoes, a little bit of cheese. I'll grab the meat last. We're not done yet. We have a little bit of ranch. So this gives it a little bit of a creamy texture. Just take your ranch, and this is a light, low-fat ranch, and drizzle it on top. There you have something that you can accompany with some fresh fruit or fresh vegetables and a cup of milk, and you're good to go. For this recipe and other FNEP recipes, just check out the link below.